Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you a small and very useful app called Twinkle Tray, which you can download it from here, called twinkletray.com, or you can get it from Microsoft Store also. Okay, so by seeing this image or screenshot here, you can see it's a very minimalistic application that will you can basically be able to control your monitor brightness without clicking any physical button. As we all know, in every monitor there is a physical button to change the brightness, saturation and other things, but by navigating this physical button is sometimes cumbersome. So you can all use this simple little application which you can very easily manage your brightness, all the monitors. Okay, monitor brightness. Okay, so you can download it from here, or you can download it also from GitHub, and also you can download it from Microsoft Store. Okay, I have already downloaded and installed it. You can see this is a tray icon. It's called Twinkle Tray. If you right click on it, you can see you can quit or exit. You can refresh your displays, or you can go to the settings. Or if you right click on it, you can see the brightness. Currently it's set at 50%. I can increase it, you can see, or I can dim it to the 0. Okay, so I don't have to press any physical button to do that. It will auto recognize all the monitors of you. Okay, my monitor is LG, and there are some pretty useful settings here. You can see there are general settings. You can start this on startup, and you can apply your brightness on startup. You can change the default language, themes and UI style. Also you can change the tray icon from here. Okay, if you want to send on analytics, just turn it on, and there are some also troubleshooting features. Okay, and you can use or see some shortcuts from here. Okay, if any updates available, you can check from here. Okay, there is also some time adjustment. Let's say at 12:30 p.m. you can set your brightness to a certain level. You can do that here, and there are some DDC and CI features. I am not specifically know what are the uses. If I know, I will let you know, and it will show you all the displays here, and you can set the brightness update rate, and you can hide any of the displays, and you can rename displays. Okay, and time adjustment you already saw, and there are general settings. Okay, this is the very minimalistic application to monitor your to control your monitor brightness. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.